For a plumber, tiler, carpenter, or anybody that works on a job site building houses or anything else, a laser level is a must. It's just as common as a power drill. However, a good quality laser level can cost a lot of money, so it's not really worth it for us DIYers and homeowners to actually purchase something so expensive that you're gonna use very rarely. Saying that, I may have the perfect solution, the CIGMAN CM-G16. It delivers on the quality, accuracy, on the accessories you actually get in the set for a reasonable amount of money. Today, the CIGMAN laser level. Let's check out all the features it has. Before checking out all the features that the CM-G16 has, let's quickly have a look. What do you actually get in the box? And look at that. Hey, that is a very nice carrying case made out of hard plastic, so the laser will not get damaged if you are on a job site or anything like that. And look at that. Absolutely brilliant set. Everything has its own place. Let me just get out our laser, and we do have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and a bottom one, the 4th one as well. Then we've got this really nice stand for our laser. I'm going to show you all the different things you can do with that. Very cool addition there. And of course, as you expect from CIGMAN lasers, you actually do get a remote, a small stand as well. That is especially helpful if you are tiling. You can really pinpoint the location of your lines with that. And of course, you do get your charging cables, as you can charge up the battery in this, and a metal plate that you can use in conjunction with this base. But hey, as I said, I'm going to show you how everything works together in a second. As you can see, the smaller price doesn't actually dictate lower quality or less accessories. This is definitely a fully loaded package here. Okay, so let's talk about some features that this device has. As I said, you've got 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and you've got the 4th one over there. So that's quite useful, especially if you're tiling. On the top of the device, you do have some buttons and a battery indicator. Yes, in this case, we do have a battery built in, which is 4 amps, and it should last you for about 7 hours of work time. To charge this up, you do have a port just over here. It's USB 3, and as I said, you do get the cable, but you don't have the charger itself, so you can use the one from your phone. On the side, you do have the unlock button, so when you switch that on, the pendulum switches on the laser, and it will self-level as well. However, it does have another option which I'm going to show you in just a second with regards to that. Right, let's explore the buttons and options we've got on top. With this being locked, when you press and hold the on-off switch, the device will turn on. However, the pendulum will not be on. Okay, so this is quite helpful if, for example, you're doing a staircase and you just want to mark up a line. Now, as you probably noticed, the laser goes off every few seconds. That's to indicate you that you are in the manual, the locked mode. Okay, so the pendulums are not on, and the laser, it's not self-leveling. The H and the V button, well, basically that's your horizontal lines and vertical lines. You can quite simply adjust what lines do you actually want for your project. You can remove some of the lines, add few more, you know, depending on your situation and on your particular need. However, when we switch this to the pendulum mode, okay, as you can see, the laser lines are now flashing because the laser itself, it's not level. So as I'm going to place it on my desk and it's going to level itself out, the lines will stop flashing. Now in the middle, you can clearly see the indication for the battery, how much juice you still got in there. Next to that, we've got a button with 2 functions. When you do a quick press, it will actually change the brightness of the laser line. Hopefully my camera will be able to catch this for you. Okay, and the last option is pulse. Now, as I did mention, you do get a remote to actually control this device. So when you press and hold the on switch button, you do have 3 basic options. The horizontal, the vertical lines, you can add and remove them, but also you do have the option for brightness. Okay, so you can change the brightness and of course go into the pulse mode as well. And that's especially helpful if, for example, your laser is few meters meters away from you and you'd want to add another line or remove it or go into pulse mode, instead of running to your laser constantly, you can just have that in your pocket and change the settings you need. However, CIGMAN also does have an application for your phone, so even if you forget that but you've got your phone on you, you will be still able to control this laser level with your phone. No issues at all. One thing I actually forgot to mention is the fact, well, you do have a threaded insert. In this case it's 1/4 inch. However, you also do have an adapter for 1/2 inch as well. So I think actually using this laser with a tripod is definitely the best solution, as you can quite easily and simply change the height of your tripod and put it anywhere you want. It's very versatile in that respect. So there you go, you do have that option with no issues at all. Right, so let's have a look at this base, as it does have some really cool features. First of all, well, there's many ways you can mount this on. You do have a keyhole, so you can simply hang it up on a nail somewhere on your building site. You do have some magnets. So for example, if you do have some steel beams, you can quite simply attach it on. However, in this set you do get this metal plate, which you can mount anywhere around your job site or your project site, and quite simply attach this base to it. And it is a very strong connection. The magnets are very strong. However, on the bottom you also do have two inserts. One is 1/4 inch and the other one is 1/2 inch, so you can quite easily mount this on your tripod as well. Let's just add our laser to this base and you'll see what type of options we've got over here where it comes to movement. The first function of this base is the fact that you can lift this up very accurately. You've got up to 7 centimeter reach, or actually you do have scale in inches on the other side as well. So first of all, we need to make sure it's unlocked. Okay, you've got two positions, locked and unlocked. On the other side, you do have this knob. As you turn it, you're going to lift the mechanism up, and as you can see, the lines will slowly go up as the laser goes up as well. When you reach the correct height, you're going to simply go to the other side and lock this setting in place. The next option that this base gives you is the fact that you can actually rotate the whole laser. You've got these at the front, and depending which way you're going to be turning them, the laser on top will turn to that direction. As you can see, this accessory really does the trick, and it will allow you to get your laser lines exactly where you need them. However, you do have one more base in this set. Again, a very useful accessory in many situations. You can lift your whole laser very steadily and accurately to get that pinpoint reading. That's quite useful, for example, if you're leveling the floors or anything like that. I think this will definitely be very helpful in many scenarios. How about the laser light visibility, and what type of distances are we talking about here? Well, according to the technical sheet, we do have 30 meters of work distance. And the visibility, well, check this out. I think my camera is catching the lines pretty well, and the laser itself is located on the other side of my workshop, which is around 6 meters. My workshop is very well lit, and the lights are still very well visible despite of the amount of light I've got here. So overall, very high visibility of the laser lines for sure. How about in the outside conditions, as these are the hardest for lasers of this type? Well, I'm about 3 meters away from the wall, and that's what you can see. I'm not sure if my camera actually is going to be able to catch this. Now, the wall itself is white, and you can clearly see the lines over here. That's the second double line, and you've got the vertical line just going here. So overall, it's still fairly well visible considering the conditions. However, if you're planning to use this type of laser outside on regular basis, I would consider getting a laser line detector. It will allow you to pinpoint the exact location of this rather than trying to see the laser line 20 meters away in the full sunshine. Very simple device. You've got a full front reader on the side and on the back as well. You can mount it on a tripod for greater stability from the side. You do have a lanyard, you do have a spirit level on the side and on the top as well. You do have a reader here, and those dots will highlight when they're gonna find the laser line. So let me show you that now. So the way it works, I'm just gonna offer our device. I can see the lines vaguely on the wall, so I'm just gonna offer that up and look for those lines, and there we go. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. It is showing with these lights over here if I'm too low or too high. The blue light in the middle indicates that I'm in the middle of the line. Okay, so that is very, very easy to read and easy to use. Unfortunately, the laser line detector is not part of this package. It's an extra accessory that you would have to get. However, if you're mainly working outside or over very long distances, I think it's going to be a very good investment. Laser level of this type is a basic tool like a power drill in the hands of a carpenter, a tiler, or anybody that works in construction or house building. It's a fantastic tool to have, and to be fair, in this case, because of the reasonable price tag, it's absolutely perfect for any DIYer or a home owner. It will help you in so many situations, not only tiling, but even as simple as putting some picture frames up, or cabinets, anything you can think of, or actually painting a straight line on a wall, adding decorative elements or anything like that. This will definitely help you out immensely and save so many frustrations. CIGMAN is a very well-known brand when it comes to laser levels. They do offer high quality tools, unfortunately sometimes with a higher price tag, but you get what you pay for. So it's nice to see that they managed to produce something that's a little bit more affordable, but still, actually, when you look at the whole package, it really does deliver on every single option you may need for your jobs. Now, the price will differ depending on where you live around the world, so I'm just gonna drop some links down below in the description of this video and in the pinned comment, so you can actually see what is the price in your country, and at the same time you can just read about all the features that this little handy device has. It's definitely worth it, and you will not be disappointed with the quality of this laser. However, at this point, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to my Patreons for the ongoing support. And before you go, check out these two cool playlists. Plenty of fantastic videos waiting for you there. For today, that's all. Take care.